Welcome to the orientation program of professional courses at Guru Nanak College, Shri Muktsar Sahib. The college is successfully running various professional courses, namely Bachelor in Science, that is BSc in Medical, Non-Medical, Biotechnology and Fashion Designing, Bachelor in Commerce, that is BCom, Bachelor in Business Administration, that is BBA, and Bachelor in Computer Applications, that is BCA. First is the Department of Basic Sciences. Dr. Anita Rani is currently working as the head of the department. The department offers various courses like MSc in Physics, BSc in Medical and Non-Medical, UGC approved BVOC course in Greenhouse Technology, and postgraduate diploma in Chemical Analysis of Food. The major highlights of the department includes its university positions with excellent academic records. The department has well-equipped laboratories. The department is successfully running short-term course on vermicomposting. The department has botanical garden and it used to organize various educational visits for the students. The department has also organized Inspire Camp sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. The department used to organize various national seminars from time to time. These are the glimpses of the various activities conducted by the department. Next is the Department of Biotechnology. Mrs. Aarti Sharma is the head of the department. The department offers courses like BSc in Biotechnology, UGC approved BVOC course in Medical Lab Technology, and Community College course, that is Advanced Diploma in Medical Lab Technology. The major highlights of the department includes its short-term course on mushroom cultivation. The department has excellent results with the university positions. It used to organize industrial visits, and the department gives hand-on experiments to the students in its well-equipped laboratories. These are the pictures of the activities conducted by the department from time to time. Next is the Department of Fashion Designing. Mrs. Seema Rani is working as the head of the department. The various courses offered in the Department of Fashion Designing are BSc in Fashion Designing, MSc in Fashion Designing, the Postgraduate Diploma in Fashion Designing, UGC approved Advanced Diploma in Fashion Designing and Clothing Construction, Certificate course in Dress Designing and Tailoring, and add-on course in Fashion Designing. The major activities of the department includes its skill development workshops, the exhibitions of handmade articles of the students, fashion show conducted by the department every year, its excellent results with the university positions and industrial visits. These are the pictures of the activities conducted by the department. Next is the Department of Commerce. Dr. Jagmeet Kaur is currently working as the head of the Commerce Department. The courses offered in the department are MCom, BCom, UGC approved BVOC in Retail Management, and short-term course on Computerized Accounting. The major highlights of the department includes its excellent academic results with the university positions, skill development workshops on tally accounting and e-filing of tax returns. The students of the department used to go on summer internships every year. Department prepare its students for UGC NET exam. It used to organize various industrial visits, national and international seminars, and creative competitions in its Commerce Education Day every year. These are the glimpses of the major activities of the Commerce Department. Next is the Department of Business Administration. Mrs. Monica Garg is the head of the department. The courses offered in the department are BBA and UGC approved BVOC in Retail Management running jointly with the Department of Commerce. The major highlights of the department are its industry interactions with industry visits every year. The department used to organize skill-oriented workshops for its students. It used to teach its students with the ICT technologies. The department used to organize various competitions for its students. The students used to go for internships in the industries, firms, etc. The department used to organize various extension activities and webinars. These are the glimpses of the activities conducted by the Department of Business Administration. Next is the Department of Computer Science. Dr. Sunil Kumar is the head of the department. The various courses offered by the department are MSc in Information Technology, BCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Applications, UGC approved BVOC course in Software Development, UGC approved certificate course in Website Designing and Management, add-on course in Information Technology, and recently approved BVOC course in E-commerce and Digital Marketing. Major highlights of the department are its results with university positions. The department used to organize workshops on computer literacy every year for the faculty as well as for the students. The department used to teach its students on using various ICT tools. It used to organize various seminars, conferences at national and international level. The students go for summer internships, and it used to organize company visits for the students. These are the glimpses of the various activities and achievements of the Department of Computer Sciences. So thanks for being part of